everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tanayitu and this channel is about fashion, beauty, fashion DIY and lifestyle and all the good stuff in between. If you're interested in such topics, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cover your canvas wig blocks so that you protect them. What I'm going to show you is very simple to do. Art is messy, creative process is mostly messy, we all know that. But we should do a little bit more to make our surrounding where we create at a little bit pleasant for ourselves to work at. In our case, our wig blocks, where we used to create beautiful wigs on, but we mostly neglect to take care of it, and it ends up looking dirty and stained. I hate the sight of dirty looking stained wig heads, which can easily be prevented by covering it right after we bought them. It's as easy as that. It's simple to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it in a very simple way. Hope you will enjoy it. Basically, you cover your canvas wig blocks to protect your investment for longevity's sake. These things, the canvas wig blocks, do not come cheap, like the Stratoform ones that we all used at first and upgraded to these ones. They are not cheap, so it's better to cover and protect them. The construction of it's made with cork and canvas fabric. And the cork is wood, and when wood gets in contact with water, when the canvas block gets in contact with water or any fluid for that matter, the cork inside might grow mold and start smelling nasty. Ew. And we don't want our wigs to start smelling nasty because they were made on top of, wig heads that has mold inside. And when we use styling products like hair colors, hairspray, gels and hair mousse and stuff, the canvas on top might get stained and start looking a little bit like dirty. And when it's dirty looking and you want to get rid of it, and if you don't know that the cork might grow mold, you might want to wash it, but you will end up having mold growing inside, and we don't want that. If we have covered it prior to using it, we might prevent it being damaged in such a way. And when we get product build up on top of it, because it's laminated, we can easily bring a damp cloth and wipe it off and it comes right off. So it's easy that way to clean them. The other advantage of laminating them is it's great for branding your business by just attaching a logo in front of it, or your name in my case, because I don't have a wig business. I only make wigs for myself. I didn't attach the size of the wig on it, but you can do that if you have a business and have a 3, 4, 5 of this wig heads. You can put your wig head size together with your logos to differentiate which wig head is which. It would be easier that way. If you don't know which size you have the wig block, some wig blocks come without the sizing written on them. So if you don't know that, it's easy to do. You just bring a measuring tape and measure the circumference of the wig block, and it would tell you the exact measurement, and you can use that. As always, I will link everything that is in this video down in the description below. Now let's do this. Let's cover our canvas wig blocks. First thing you're going to need is your canvas block. As you can see, I've placed mine on a tripod made for wig heads so that it's easy to work on and to demonstrate. I bought this wig head from GAF on Amazon, which I will link down below. The back of the wig head has a curve and the front of it is the flat side. That's how you know which is the front and which is the back. You're also going to need a plastic bag which you will use to cover your block with. I am repurposing by using the plastic bag that came when I bought the wig block. But if you don't have that already, you can use any produce plastic bags, turkey bags, storage bags that are about 1 gallon size. Your plastic bag doesn't have to be clear. You can use a pink one, a blue one, or any color that goes with your branding. Then you're also going to need a tape. I'm using a packing tape because it's more durable, but you can use any kind of tape you have lying around. The last thing you're going to need for this project is a blow dryer. Now grab all your supplies and let's get started. As you can see here, I have already placed the plastic bag on top of my wig head. If there is any logo writing on a bag, I like to make sure it's not on the front of the canvas block so that it's nice and clean. I've turned the canvas block sideways so you guys can see a little better. If the plastic bag is longer than the wig head, you make a fold to fit 2 inches below the neck of the canvas block to make it easy to tack in later. I'm going to start twisting the plastic bag down as tight as possible against the canvas block. As you can see, it's a little loose up there, so I will twist it tight to fit the block as a glove. You want to twist it as tightly as you can to make it lay super flat on all over the block. Now we start the taping process. The first piece of tape is used along the back to hold the twisted portion down. Do not try to tape down without first preparing and cutting the tape to fit. It will be messy and it's not easy to control where you want the tape to be. Use a pre-cut tape that is about 6 to 7 inches long, like this one. Tape down and the twisted part of the plastic bag using 3 to 4 pieces to make it reinforced and strong. Now the backside taping is done. I'm folding down the corners of the bag that look like invisible cat ears and secure it with a piece of tape or 2, making it flat and clean. Do this on both sides. We don't need cute cat ears. Now we move to the front side and start taping from the bottom up, layering it one after another until we reach the top. When I'm layering the tape, I'm going to overlap it a bit on top of the other one. Don't use pieces that are too long, it will create a distortion. You want to apply it as slick as possible. When the color of the plastic bag and the tape is the same, as in my case, you might miss spots. Check if you miss a spot and stick a piece all over where you missed and seal it that way. Now you start taping across the crown or the top part of the wig head. I'm just layering one tape after another until I cover everything. And remember not to use long pieces of tape. Press out any bubbles that may be stuck in between to have a smooth surface. To seal the edge underneath the wig block, we take a longer piece of tape and tape it around the neck of the wig head, and I tack it in, making sure I didn't stick to the canvas fabric underneath, past the plastic rim. I look around for any missed spots or bubbles. One last time. Now is the fun part. I'm going to bring my name/logo sticker and stick it on the front of the wig head. Then put a layer of tape on top of it. Taking the blow dryer on the highest heat setting and seal the tape all over. Do this quickly and do not hold the blow dryer on one spot for too long because it might melt down the tape and stick it to the canvas fabric underneath. That's it, you're done. And when you want to remove the laminating cover, you just make a slit underneath and peel it off. Thank you for watching this video today. Hope you have enjoyed it and take something from it. All my socials are at Tanayitu. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. See you next week.